Okay, now we're gonna talk about. I've been doing videos for a few years already, and I got few subscribers, 300 something. I don't remember 320, because I'm not consistent. I'm not putting effort on it. I've been studying. I'm doing a lot of research about how to make better videos, how to create good content, and how to gain subscribers. This video, I'm going to show you the 10 steps, the basic 10 steps to create a good channel, better videos, get a lot of subscribers, and grow as a content creator. Okay, stay tuned. This is going to be the first video on a lot of videos that I'm going to start making. I'm going to be studying the YouTube analytics. I'm going to be working on it, and every week I'm going to put a video here in this channel about making videos, how to create subscribers, how to be a better content creator. You're going to learn, I'm going to learn, we're going to learn together. Stay tuned, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. Okay, one of the first step to create videos is simple. Create your niche. You have to decide in a topic or a niche that you want to create videos about. It could be anything professional, it can be personal, beauty tutorials, IT tutorials, cooking, travel, educational content, anything that you passionate about. That's the main thing. You have to be passionate while you are doing the video. Okay? That way you don't follow a script that you will be reading something that you don't even understand. Get my point? Something that you love. Once you plan your content, you outline the main points, the main ideas you want to cover your video. Having a clear structure that will help stay on track while you're filming. There's a lot of reasons that you can get deviated for a lot of. Let's not talk about that right now, but like my phone. Where's my phone? My phone. I'm gonna put it in silence because my phone rings about every 10 minutes, or I get a text message every 5 minutes. So disconnect for anything that's gonna distract you to keep focused creating your video. Equipment. Let's be honest. There's a lot of channels, really good people showing you what to record, what to do. But let's be honest. You can use this. Your iPhone, or your Galaxy, or your LG, or any phone, OnePlus, any phone nowadays has the capability to create amazing video and photo. So if you don't have the budget in this moment to go buy the store and buy a $600-700, because the cheapest good camera to make videos, I say run between $450 to $750. If you don't have the money, that's okay. Your phone, and I'm sure that you have a phone that is really good, because we all here know that we always want to keep on top of the latest and bigger iPhone or Galaxy especially. Okay, what else? A script. Don't follow, sit down and create a script, your idea, write it down, make a bullet plan, and follow it. That way you know the sequence that what you are creating, the motivation that you're trying to transmit to the viewer. You create a small script, you can type and create step by step what you're gonna say, reading a paper, this, no. Well, yes, but trying to, while you're typing, while you're writing something, this in here, this in your head, so you don't say, okay, well, wait a minute, what did I say? Oh, I forgot the line. And then you have to pass the camera because you got totally lost in your script. No, something that you're writing just to keep fresh memory of what you're saying, but not to read it step by step, word by word, what you're saying. There's a lot of ideas. There's a teleprompter, but you're starting. If you're starting like with me, and you're starting how to create videos on YouTube or be a content creator, just try to follow what I'm saying. Video. Don't stress about when you're making the video that, oh man, didn't come out right. No. Videos. Hours of videos. One video, a 10-minute video, sometimes you have 2-3 hours of film or video that you editing to create those 10 minutes video. So grab your camera, your phone, and record every single thing. No matter if you think it's, oh, this is not gonna be used, no matter, you might need it later. And keep everything safe, because you might need that little part of the video that you didn't use in this video. When you're creating the second or the third video, wait a minute, I have this part right here, I can use it, and you put it together. Always recording, videotaping, everything, and you'll see that everything will come together. About editing, how you feel comfortable using any type of editing application is up there. There's some free ones, there's some expensive ones, there's some professional ones, there's some I might put in the list in my description. I'm gonna put the list of all the sites that offer a free version and a paid version. The free version is great, it's good, it's complete, but don't get discouraged. You're learning, we are learning here, little by little. You're gonna create a video, and you're gonna be more comfortable doing the program or the software that you're using, the application. Final Cut Pro if you're using Mac, or Adobe Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. No matter. More practice, you will get more practice, and more practice, you will get better. And then that's when you start playing with the video software, doing transitions, doing effects, don't just patience. It takes a lot of time to create an amazing video, which there's a lot of amazing videos that come out simple videos. And remember, the viewer's not too much looking at how good you are creating the video, it's how much information they're getting from you. That's why we have a lot of videos on YouTube that the creator doesn't even show their face, because they just create a simple video that is it's creating a simple video that transmit or give the information that you're looking for. So don't stress about that. Okay, I watch videos sometimes that the quality of the video is horrible, but I'm learning what I need to learn, and I'm getting the information that I need to get. I'm getting the information that I need from the YouTube creator, no matter the video. Yes, create the video, trying to make a nice video, that way you get viewers and you say, oh no, he does make good videos. But remember, the main thing here on YouTube is entertainment, and it's information, education, to learn. How many things you want to know how to do it, and where you go for? Google or YouTube. How I make this? Stay focused in the same track. Okay. Once you do that, you upload the video, you create the video, you do little steps here, there's little steps there. But once you upload the video, that's when you're gonna start getting desperate. Oh my God, how many views I had today? How many views? Do I have likes? Do I have comments? Patience. It takes a lot of years to build. All these people there in YouTube, they have thousands and thousands and millions of subscribers. They didn't start last week. They didn't start last month or the last 5 years. Yeah, there's some that for analytics or for YouTube algorithm, they click like this and they get a lot of views, but 95% any YouTube creator has to wait their turn and little by little build an audience. Anyways, I think we're gonna stop right here. Like I say, I'm gonna be making more videos about YouTube. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in comments. Please. So stay with me, subscribe, like my video, leave a comment, any questions, reach out to me. Let's get together in this. Stay tuned for my next video, and good luck to you. And remember, patience and you will succeed. Thank you so much. See you next time.